Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you about a new program which is ListLoin guys. ListLoin is a new program, and in this video we will be reviewing ListLoin because I just used it like this. You can see I will be reviewing the ListLoin 3-day fast track challenge. Okay, let's get started. Let's see their sales page first. So you see, like, want to build your in affiliate marketing, you don't sell your product, you sell others products. So Randy is an affiliate, expert affiliate. So look, he is amazing how he has a video. And now let's come to what you will learn about affiliate marketing. Day 1, you will learn what exactly affiliate marketing is and why is best model for creating a business. Like, look, this is a quick intro, and we talk this. Build out your own business in just 30 minutes, guys. You can build your business in 30 minutes. They show you how you can build from finding own product to building your email sequence. And the 3-day is awesome. 3-day is all about traffic, and in this in 3-day they will show you how to get traffic to your affiliate links, how to set up a business. Setup. And if you are a tech, if you think it is a techie, no, we will discuss it later. But okay, amazing, get these amazing bonuses. You will get these amazing bonuses. Okay, get my complete done for you business copyright for full improve. Guys, if you pay him $7, let me show you which you will get. You will get this opt-in page. Amazing. Let me enter my email and just saw it. You see, it's an amazing opt-in page and 100% working. As it's in my affiliate link here, and me not created this. This is created by Randy Meher. Randall. Have questions like this is going to ask me a messenger. And okay, so we are talking about this, and you are going to get your first promote whatever you want challenge. Start earning commission as soon as when you will get 100 free leads and autoresponder. Guys, autoresponder you will get for free, and you will get 100 leads on it. Already 100 leads, active leads which are active, you will get from Randy. Okay, bonus number 3 is get my secret emails that have generated me 6 figures. Guys, he will give you awesome emails that are. I have just joined it, so I completed the challenge. It is a best challenge. Okay, let's go then. Now talk about the membership area. You see, it is a different membership area. It is awesome, simply designed. You can simply design membership area. Look, ListLoin introduction. Welcome to day number 1. First video is about welcome, and the quick second video quickly watch. You can quick intro about. In this video they will show you what affiliate marketing is. And the tools of trade, they will give you the tools. Like, I got this one in this page, and email swipe ups and many more things. Get your affiliate links. This will show you. I recently got approval from this, and he created a page like this for me. He created this page for me, and what happened? He set up your business. he done. He log in your yeah. And in the GS video is awesome. Now got one. Now we tell you about where how to like how to build what is perfect affiliate funnel. An amazing video here and a perfect message from Jake. And Jake is telling about hey amazing. This is an amazing video. And Jake is an amazing accelerator and Randy is an awesome guy. And the third day 3 is all about traffic. All about traffic. And day 3 is all about traffic. How to get your traffic. Traffic is very important in your business, our business. Now what's next? He will show you. You will get list loan affiliate for 50% commission. Hey guys, if you become a member of Listline through my link, which I have shared in the description and comment, you will get these bonuses from me for absolutely free. If you become a monthly member, these things for free. These bonuses for free. 90 day 101 mentorship. Mentor 24/7 messenger support. Business setup. I will help you in business setup. I will help you business setup. Organic marketing. I will teach you organic marketing to and my pre-built funnel, which I use, and now I am using this one. So my pre-built funnel, and if you join Listline monthly membership or lifetime membership, lifetime VIP, you will get 15,000 bonuses from Zandy, and this one, like this one, Randy, and this one from me. Obviously, guys, for free if you join these two, one of these programs through my link. I will give the link in the description or comment. If you want to join 3-day challenge, if you want to join the $7 plan, then I will give you if you want to join the $7 plan, if you join $7 plan for my link, bonus code $7, I will give you 30-day mentorship, 30-day mentorship. I will not give you business setup, and I'll give you this one too. 30-day mentorship and senior bus organic tips not. So if you join these ones, I will help you. Okay, I will share the links in the description, okay, so you can join.